There's this quiet revolution happening on YouTube. It's these channels where you never, ever see a human face, but they're pulling in a massive slice of the platform's multi-billion-dollar pie. And trust me, it is not about luck. It's all about strategy. So let's just dive right in and break down the 8 most powerful faceless niches that could genuinely replace your full-time job by 2026. Okay, this quote right here, this is the key to literally everything we're about to talk about. This is why these faceless channels are just crushing it. They don't rely on a creator's personality or their energy to be on camera. Nope, they're built like machines, like systems, designed to give the YouTube algorithm exactly what it's hungry for. Repeatable content that keeps people watching. And this shift it's fundamental. The game has changed. YouTube's algorithm isn't rewarding the creator who's burning themselves out working the hardest anymore. It's rewarding the smartest system. Faceless channels are winning because they can pump out content that keeps viewers glued to the screen consistently, all without needing a star to show up. All right, kicking things off at number 8, we've got YouTube drama and internet commentary. You can think of this as the you won't believe what just happened corner of the internet. It's probably one of the easiest niches to jump into, and your channel can grow incredibly fast. But, and this is a big but, as you can see, it often has the lowest RPM on our list. That's your revenue per 1,000 views, and here it's not super high. So why does it work? Well, success in this niche is all about one thing: speed. You are not the product, the trending story is. Your entire job is to jump on viral moments the second they happen. The downside, though, it's intense. It is a super stressful pace, and if you take your foot off the gas for even a week, the internet has already forgotten and moved on. Now, for number 7, let's do a complete 180. We're talking about relaxing science and sleep content. We're going from high-octane drama to videos designed for pure comfort and calm. Now, the RPM is still on the lower end, you'll notice, but the real magic here is that the barrier to entry, your effort and your cost, is incredibly low. This is where the strategy gets really clever. These channels aren't fighting for your focused attention. They are competing for total watch time. The goal isn't excitement, it's comfort. So yeah, you might earn less for each view, but you can rack up a staggering number of total views because people literally leave these videos playing for hours, sometimes all night long. It makes this a really powerful and super accessible place to start. Okay, now we're getting into what we call evergreen content. This is the stuff that stays relevant for years and years. Coming into number 6 is faceless history documentaries. We're talking epic stories, about ancient empires, famous wars, and the real story behind. And as you can see, that RPM is starting to creep up. The power of history is that it is so bingeable. People don't just watch one video, they fall down a rabbit hole for hours. And that kind of binge-watching behavior, that's YouTube's absolute favorite signal. A history channel might not blow up overnight, but it builds momentum like a snowball rolling downhill, collecting views for years to come. At number 5, we're getting personal. We're talking psychology and human behavior. This is one of the most addictive niches out there because it's not about boring textbook stuff. It's about creating content that makes every single viewer go, whoa, that's literally me. And take a look at the earning potential. It's just jumped up to high. This niche basically has a built-in retention cheat code. It creates these natural curiosity loops about why we are the way we are. And when a viewer feels like a video is about them, they stick around. This also tends to attract an older, more intentional audience, which, you guessed it, is way more valuable to advertisers. All right, let's just pause here for a second and look at this chart. The pattern is crystal clear, right? As we move into more specialized topics that attract a more dedicated, specific kind of viewer, the value for every 1,000 views, that RPM, just keeps climbing. We are officially on our way up the profitability ladder. Okay, we are now entering the big leagues. At number 4, we have economic documentaries. This is the turning point where advertisers start paying consistently high rates. We're talking about really compelling, story-driven videos explaining things like, why is the housing market so broken? Or how do global supply chains actually work? The earning potential here is very high. Advertisers absolutely love this niche for one very simple reason: the audience. They're educated, they're curious, and they are actively thinking about money. This content also ages like a fine wine. A great video explaining a financial concept can pull in views for years, making it a powerful long-term asset for your channel. Cracking our top 3, it's luxury and wealth. Honestly, this niche can feel like it just prints money, and that's because the audience has a very clear intent to spend. The content is all about celebrity net worths, insane mega mansions, supercars, you know the drill. And as you'd expect, the RPMs are consistently fantastic. The real beauty of this niche is just how simple the formula is. The structure is just infinitely repeatable. Who's the person? How did they get so rich? And what crazy stuff do they own? The secret sauce isn't in complicated production, it's all in the packaging and the pacing. That makes this a surprisingly efficient way to make some serious cash. All right, we're down to the final two. And at number 2, it's AI and automation. Right now, this is hands down one of the most aggressively monetized categories on all of YouTube. You have software companies and AI startups and an all-out bidding war for this audience. And that pushes those RPMs way into the double digits, easily. This niche just works because it sells a solution to a problem every single person has. How do I do more with less time? The demand for that answer is just exploding. And what that means is that even a channel with relatively modest views can earn a really significant income, simply because advertisers are willing to pay an absolute premium to get in front of these people. So, after all that, what is it? What is the number one niche? The one that can truly, actually replace a full-time job. The one that sits at the very top of the YouTube food chain when it comes to making money. And here it is. The number one most profitable faceless niche is personal finance. This is it. This is the category where a YouTube channel goes from being a fun side hustle to a legitimate full-time career. We're talking content about investing, credit cards, building wealth, passive income. And just look at that RPM range, $15 to $30, and honestly, often way higher. This niche is basically a perfect storm of profitability. The audience isn't just watching casually. They are actively looking to make big decisions with their money. And that attracts the highest paying advertisers on the planet. Banks, brokerage firms, credit card companies. They'll pay a fortune because getting just one new customer is worth so much to them. You combine that with timeless evergreen topics, and you've got a system where a single video can earn more than a viral sensation in almost any other category. It's just wild. So there you have it. We've just walked through the 8 most profitable faceless niches on YouTube. But there is a catch, isn't there always? Knowing all this is one thing, but none of it matters if you can't consistently create and upload videos. And that brings us to the final and maybe the most important question of all. You see, the real bottleneck for most people isn't picking the wrong niche. It's not having a repeatable system to turn their ideas into actual videos week in and week out. Knowing which road is paved with gold is only the very first step of the journey. So I'll leave you with this final thought. You now have the what. You have a map to the most profitable territories on the entire platform. But the one factor that will truly decide if you succeed or fail, it isn't knowing the path. It's having the system to actually walk it. Maybe that's where the real work begins.